What's up, YouTube? So, welcome back. Don with the Don Franz Show. We are going to discuss a couple things today. The SPAC merger you didn't see coming. The one company that was previously traded but closed down in 2011, but is coming back, making a debut, Minus One Magazine. Also, we'll talk about Tesla. Want to do a quick recap for you guys. I thought this one would be funny just to kind of even bring up. Now, I don't want to get into the fundamentals. I'm just a chart trader, but this is actually Playboy. Playboy is coming back in the form of this SPAC right now. So MCAC, I want to say it's coming back as PLBY. It'll be in the first quarter of next year. So kind of want to just reach out to everybody. Plus, I want to see how much this thumbnail gets clicked, just to see. With numbers of 95% male, 5% female, this should get a lot of clicks. Either way, what do you know about Playboy? Are you going to buy and hold this? Are you going to trade this thing? Is it coming back? Well, I mean, it's coming back. Are you going to own it? Do you already own it? And are you going to own the stock? I guess if we were going to zone this out, we're going to check this out. We got the pump up, right? Pulled back. We've seen nothing but sellers just randomly show up. In fact, if we take extended hours off, there's been nothing kind of pushed up. So I kind of want to keep an eye on this level right here just to see what happens. So on with Tesla. Let's make this short and sweet. Tesla today got a whole lot of nothing, right? Daily indecisive candle. Now we got the, first of all, gap down and pushed up. Today, inside candle, gap down a little bit from what it was. Played the back and forth game for a while there. This ticker was just dead. Like, it was flat here in the open. I went flat, eventually broke down. We tested that zone. I think we're still bullish. So seeing some, I would call this still consolidation. Nothing's broken. If we get below that, I'll probably start covering some positions. If we don't gap below this is probably where I'll stop out and look to get in cheaper if I can take advantage of that. I'm going to try to skip some of these red candles. That's how I'm going to probably play this one. But we got, what, 1 week left? Yeah, 1 week left before they start buying this thing up, and they have to buy it rain or shine, no matter what the price is. The indexers, don't get lost in your own little world. They are buying Tesla, whether it's at 350 or 3,500, right? They don't care about the price. You do because you're a trader. That's it. Investors, I don't know why they would care because they're holding this for 10 years anyway, so I don't know why they're still talking about it. But indexers, they are buying this. You got 75 billion coming in. 75 billion coming in regardless of the price. So what I'm going to look for is, are the buyers going to start surging? I'm going to pile in knowing there's going to be a seller. Regardless of the price, someone's buying it. You can offload that to them. I know a lot of people think that. So let's see if that's what comes to fruition. So I will get off here, guys. For the YouTube members, here in a little bit, I'm about to go live for you guys. It will be a stream just for you guys, so you guys will know. So be on the lookout. If you want to join that stream, click the join button next to subscribe, and you'll get the notification. Other than that, guys, enjoy your weekend. You will see me, but I will go live 1 hour after futures open on Sunday. See you then.